Application security has always been a race against how fast code ships. Checkmarx is built to keep up. Fusion is Checkmarx's hybrid scanning engine, rules-based precision, AI-powered language coverage, and frontier AI models, all working together. Frontier models reason over your code differently, surfacing a comprehensive list of findings that a single engine would miss. And everything gets filtered through the findings analysis engine before it ever reaches you. Let's watch it work. Here's the repo, a fintech platform, 3 services, a Java gateway, a Python ledger, and a market analytics service built on Go, with R handling the statistical modeling underneath. You can connect a GitHub repo directly, like this, wire it into CI/CD, or upload a zip, whatever fits your pipeline. Here in Scan Settings is the toggle for Fusion. Switch it on, and you get the full picture. Rules-based and probabilistic results combined into one complete result set. Something you couldn't replicate on your own, even with the models yourself. You can choose the model that runs here, higher cost or lower cost ones, depending on your needs. Fusion's on. Let's see what it found.
To compare different configurations, we tested the application on a few different configurations. And remember, our baseline is already our next generation SAST with an F-score of 0.64. With Findings Analysis Engine disabled, our test project found 112 vulnerabilities. With it enabled, 87 true positives. Our 25 false positives, a common issue with SAST, were automatically removed when Findings Analysis is turned on. Once we ran Fusion on GPT Mini, 161 vulnerabilities, and Opus, 148 vulnerabilities. That's what the F means. Higher precision and higher recall. The scan's already run, and every finding here has already cleared a check to remove the noise. Take this one, ASQL injection. A raw ticker symbol string flowing unparameterized into a data lookup on the Go side. This is the importance of a hybrid engine that finds vulnerabilities, no matter what language it was written in. Catching a pattern a single engine would have missed entirely. No known rule, no signature to match. That's Fusion. The highest fidelity results we offer, consistent and repeatable scan to scan, and less manual triage. Everything you're looking at flows straight into Checkmarx One, feeding risk orchestration, triage assist, and remediation assist instead of sitting off in a silo. Reach out for a personalized demo or visit checkmarx.com.